hands, I got hands. Go.
Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department Southeast District officers responded to the 1300 block of Riley Place on a report of a person shot. Arriving officers located 48-year-old David Doty outside a residence who had been shot. Inside the residence, officers located a second man who had also been shot. That suspect was later identified as 50-year-old Michael Hendricks, for the intersection of Prospect Street and South Emerson Avenue, where Mr. Hendricks was walking.
Control, give me that description again. Yeah, I think I have it. Yep, got him right here, Prospect Emerson. Hey, show me your hand! Get your hand out of the pocket! Get your fucking hands out of your pocket! Stop fire, don't put that! Out of the pocket! Get your fucking hands! Control, give me that description. I'm getting flagged down. I think I have the suspect. Yep, got him right here, Prospect Emerson. Hey, show me your hand! Get your hands out of the pocket! Get your fucking hands out of your pocket! Shots fired, suspect down! Police action! Show me your fucking hand! Oh, wait, show me your fucking hand! Hands out! Hands out! Hands out! Hands out! Hands out! I'm beside you. Hands out! I'm with you. Okay.
Moving. Hands, I got hands. Go.
I got lethal.
Mr. Hendricks was transported to the hospital by Indianapolis Emergency Medical Services in stable condition. The surviving shooting victim, David Doty, was released from the hospital but required additional medical care. He later died from his injuries on July 10, 2025. Mr. Hendricks was arrested and charged by the Marion County Prosecutor's Office. On August 4th, Mr. Hendricks pleaded guilty to 2 counts of murder. Mr. Hendricks was sentenced to 90 years in the Indiana Department of Correction.